In 1942, due to Allied attacks on Japanese shipping, the Japanese Emperor conceived the idea of a railway between Burma and Thailand. 415 impossible kilometres of track weaved through unstable and rugged terrain. The Kompatong, Bampong, Tarua, Tamawang, Kanchanaburi, the bridge on the River Kwai, amazing structures built from cement, steel, bamboo and blood, Wanglen, Changkai cutting, Tarpong, Bankau, Tarkilin, the long flat stretch before the hardships began, Wangpo Viaduct, a bridge high above an impossible ravine, Wangai, Tarseo, one of many hospitals where these suffering heroes lost their lives, Hellfire Pass, Hintok Cutting, Three-Tier Bridge, the Compressor Cutting, the Pack of Cards Bridge, Weary Dunlop and D-Force, all parts of our rich history in this area. Lintin, Kuiyai, Hindat, Prangkasi. Before the Kaolain Dam was built, this whole area was a swamp breeding cholera. F-Force were unprepared for the consequences. The railway joined between Konkoita and Tomota, Shimonaitia, Naitia, Songkarai, the Burma border, Three Pagodas Pass, the end of the line for A-Force study in Mormine, Apollon, Apolline, Mazali, Kami Mazali, Lancy, Twangzun, Tambaya, Anangquan, Redfall, Kenoki. Finally Tambuzi at the start of the line. And here we have the 20 miles of existing line. Finally reaching Mormine, the start of the ordeal for A-Force. I'm so pleased to depict this important part of Australia's heritage in graphic detail for the first time. In my next video, we go into specific areas and depict all the death camps around these stations. May all the fallen rest in peace.